Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Telegram code SMS problem, Telegram SMS free problem and Telegram logging issue. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. Okay, go to home screen and go to Google Play Store. Tap on search bar, search for Telegram, and now check update your Telegram app. My Telegram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen and now long tap your Telegram app. See Telegram app. Now long tap your Telegram app. Tap on I button and scroll down. Then tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back. Scroll up. Now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First call logs allow back, second camera allow back, and contacts allow back, and location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, turn on or enable notification option. Okay, back, and phone allow back, photos and videos allow back. Okay, go to home screen and now restart your phone and reopen it again on your phone. Okay, go to home screen and open your Telegram app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.